See? Hold it over here. All right. Harder, a little harder. Good. Open it. See, you got some shell in. Gonna take it out. Okay, whisk the eggs. Whisk. Yeah, whisk harder.
I gotta get one of these.
I'm gonna put a little milk. Be tasting.
Speaking of, who's calling me now? I'll call him back.
Okay. See? You have some a little sugar. A teaspoon of sugar. Not whisk, keep whisking. We put the vanilla, the sugar, the cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. That's a pinch. Okay.
Don't worry, I'm not taping your face. I'm just taping your results.
All right. So we have this. This is the batter. Let's turn the. We do it to about 250. All right. Let's wipe this because it's cooked on it. So we're gonna just wipe the surface and wipe the surface off.
Who are you gonna make French toast for? You. That's right. That's right. You first, of course.
You're gonna make one for Savannah. She was in rehearsal too, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So you're gonna make for you and Savannah. All right. So what we do is we put a little oil on the surface. Okay. And we put oil. We put also a little. No, you're gonna do it. A little.
Butter.
A little butter. You're going to use the brush and just.
No, I call you like that. When they ask you, when you come back to it. I'm waiting for you to say when you come back.
You're going to.
And with that, before you have to strike it for you. You will be like crazy.
Okay. Good. Now we're going to dip our bread in the mixture. And we're going to flip it. You're going to let it drain.
It's okay. I'm only taping the process, not the people.
Where's my French toast?
Oh,
You might get.
he's after. He had to go to one. Just split once because we don't want it too soggy. Okay.
There's no sugar in that, is there?
There is sugar.
Okay, then.
Flip it once.
I see her doing it. I said, my son needs to learn how to do this. Let me record the process and show it to my son.
Okay.
And it's so simple to make. I just don't eat it often, so that's why I don't make it. They call it Yankee breakfast.
Yeah, right?
Settings there?
Yeah.
You made an announcement?
Yeah, it was in this morning's announcement. When they come, we're gonna go around. Okay? Finish it up.
So what you doing for the birthday?
I'm doing it right now.
Enjoy it with your kids.
Yeah. Wait. See. Let's soak up the rest of it, and we're done. Okay?
Good job.